Puzzling phenomenon erupts at CERN, baffling the scientific community. The European Organization for Nuclear Research, CERN, has long been at the forefront of scientific discovery and exploration. Recently, an inexplicable event has taken place at this renowned research institution, leaving scientists and researchers in a state of utter bewilderment. This video seeks to elucidate the perplexing occurrence at CERN, analyzing its implications and potential explanations with the nuance befitting a graduate school student. Brief overview of CERN. CERN, located on the Franco-Swiss border, is home to the world's most powerful particle accelerator, the Large Hadron Collider, LHC. Since its establishment in 1954, CERN has been instrumental in advancing our understanding of particle physics, quantum mechanics, and the fundamental forces that govern our universe. Its experiments often delve into mystifying realms of science, provoking profound questions about the nature of reality and the laws that govern it. The unprecedented incident. Recently, a truly enigmatic event unfolded within CERN's labyrinthine underground tunnels dubbed the unexplained anomaly. It involved an unexpected disruption of the LHC's ongoing experiments, temporarily halting its operations. Furthermore, the collider experienced an uncharacteristic surge in energy, generating anomalies that defied current theoretical frameworks. Scientists' investigation. In response to this inexplicable occurrence, CERN's researchers initiated an investigation to unravel the mystery behind the unexplained anomaly. Characterized by rigorous methodology and meticulous data analysis, these efforts reflect the tenacity of the scientific community when faced with the unknown. Through collaborations with experts from various disciplines, CERN aims to decipher the perplexing event's root causes and implications. Initial findings and speculations. Initial findings from CERN's investigation reveal that the unexplained anomaly may be linked to a previously undiscovered particle or fundamental force. Such a revelation would shatter existing paradigms and revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. This possibility has ignited a vibrant discourse within the scientific community, with researchers proposing theories ranging from parallel universes colliding to unexpected interactions with dark matter or even evidence of a multiverse. Implications for modern physics. The unexplained anomaly carries profound implications for the field of modern physics. By challenging established theories, it invites a reassessment of our understanding of particle physics, gravity, and the fabric of space-time. The implications extend beyond theoretical frameworks, potentially enabling groundbreaking technological advancements and paving the way for future discoveries yet unimagined. International collaboration and public engagement. In line with its cooperative ethos, CERN has initiated collaborations with prominent research institutions worldwide to pool resources, share findings, and facilitate a global understanding of the unexplained anomaly. This international effort fosters a collective spirit of scientific inquiry, bringing together diverse perspectives and expertise to tackle this mystifying event. Conclusion. CERN, an institution synonymous with pushing boundaries, has once again propelled the scientific community into uncharted territory. The unexplained anomaly presents a captivating enigma, provoking intense intellectual vigor and speculation among researchers worldwide. As the investigation at CERN unfolds, it becomes evident that this unexplained event may herald a new era in our understanding of the universe, offering tantalizing insights into the mysterious forces and particles that govern our reality. Scientists are eagerly awaiting answers, poised to decipher the secrets hidden within the anomaly and advance our knowledge of the cosmos.